Hello, AP students. As you can probably hear my voice, I'm not feeling the best today, so I wasn't able to make it in. Just want to say a real big thanks to the teacher, whoever it is, the awesome, amazing teacher who's covering for me. Thank you very much. Can you give that teacher a hand? Awesome, awesome. All right, let's start with our do now. We're gonna keep class pretty simple today, so why don't we take somewhere between 5 and 10 minutes and go through your pre-written essays, your introductions, and your two-body paragraphs in your groups that you sit with. And of course, you guys know the seating chart is right there who you are sitting with, who our teacher has the seating chart too. So go ahead and take about 5-10 minutes and go over your pre-written essays. And teacher was covering this. If the students are working really well, give them a little more time. If the students aren't working real well, we can move on to the next thing. So go ahead, you may begin. All right, our chapter 5.3 to 5.6, the Industrial Revolution begins and spreads with technology, which apparently has a small y. Interesting. All right, so let's get to our essential question. This is your LEQ, which will be your test on Monday. So Monday, you'll be turning in your pre-written essays. Those are going to be worth 2 points. Make sure you have them done and turn them in. And you're going to take this as an LEQ and turn your packets in. I've already graded your multiple choice. So let's move ahead. All right, so now our awesome, amazing teacher is covering. We need to get out the packets 5.7 to 5.10. Now, if you weren't able to get them before, they're on my desk in the third floor office. Some students know where that is, so if a student wants to go to my desk and get those packets, they can bring them back. If you already have them, that's awesome. But we really want to make sure these get passed out so you have more work time on this. Otherwise, if you don't get them today, you'll have less work time. And the website is up. So we'll need those 5.7 to 5.10 packets. We can pass those out. That'd be awesome. And I am going to erase this part about the discussion packets, and we are going to do that another day when I come back. So don't worry about that. So here is basically what you can work on for the class today. You need to be working the whole time. You can either refine or make sure your LEQ is really good for Monday, or you can use your time to work on 5.7, 5.10. You put your earbuds in and watch the videos if you want to. If you want to watch them together with the group, you may do that. But let's make sure you're doing the LEQ or you're getting started on 5.7, 5.10. Now 5.7, 5.10, those notes, I'm going to check those on Wednesday next week. That's when they will be checked. All right, and we're going to start working on 5.7, 5.10 on Tuesday. So you want to have that mostly done. So since I sound sick, you guys probably have a question about tomorrow, because tomorrow is the DBQ Saturday. Here's the plan. Plan on coming tomorrow. I think I'm going to feel better. So plan on coming tomorrow. If nothing else is said, we have class tomorrow at 9 a.m. If class is canceled, here is what I will do. I will put it on the website. So if the DBQ is canceled, we'll find another day for it. We'll still do it. We'll have to talk and do another day. But if it's canceled, we'll do another day, and I will put it on the website that the DBQ is canceled. Right now, class is on. We have class tomorrow from 9 to 1, so plan on being there. If you see on here the class is canceled, please contact people. Use a group chat, contact people, and let them know. But as of right now, we have class tomorrow. All right, you have the rest of the time to work on your packets and your test, which is for Monday. All right, I'll see you guys hopefully tomorrow.